What are you in here for? Oh boy. How long have you guys been in here and you're still doing it? Leila and Zahra, what are you doing?
I'm washing the tub.
You're washing the face basin with your toothbrush? That's what you're doing?
Yeah, I do.
What are you in here for? Oh boy. How long have you guys been in here and you're still doing it? You might as well continue because it's can't use again.
Clean.
Zaza, why are you using your toothbrush to do the cleaning, baby? Hmm?
Bubble.
Bubbles, yes, bubbles, but you're not supposed to use toothbrush to do that. Leila? 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 So yesterday?
Yesterday?
Why are you using that? Why are you using your toothbrush to clean the face basin?
I don't know.
You don't know? Alright, do nothing cause this can't use again. So enjoy yourself. While you're at it, just come on this side, Leila. Come on this side. Clean over this side too. Yes, while you're at it, the toothbrush can't use again. So wow, very good. You know who could get used to this? Very good, very good. Make sure you get on this side. So get on this side. Wow, yes. Don't touch any more toothbrushes, do you know? Only use your one, okay? Okay, Zaza? Okay, Leila? Alright, I'll check back on you in a little while. So you say you always wanted twins? Yeah, you always wanted twins. Morning, neighbors. As you can see, already got off to a very interesting start. The backstory is that Leila had her hands dirty and she was holding on to the mop head, wet mop head, not the stick part, the mop head. So I said, no man, Jeremsy, go in the bathroom, baby, go wash your hands with soap. And I realized I was sitting down at the computer and 5-10 minutes passed. I was like, trouble that, you know. Anyway, walk into the bathroom and I saw them cleaning the face basin with their toothbrush that I bought last week. They don't say that can't use again. Buy them another set. But it's always. Why weren't we vlogging every day? Because there's always something, you know. Believe you me, always something. Always something. But it's a joy. I'm going to see what the rest of the day holds with Leila and Zahra. And you're going to have first-hand view of it. Morning, Bruno. Morning. What's up? You okay? Alright, good boy. See that I forgot to wash my hands, no? I forgot to wash my hands before I interact with any other baby in the house. Okay? Have a good day. Wow, good job. Very good. You want what? You rinse out the tub? Yes, you did. Very good job. Don't eat again, doing okay? Zaza, look at me. Don't eat again, okay? Okay. So of course I'm working and minding my own business. But apparently this happens, but good thing mommy was there to handle it.
What?
Zahra ate the salad.
She eat up all what?
She ate all of the sweetie.
What sweetie? Where did you get sweetie? Grandma gave you sweetie?
Yes.
Zara? Did you eat off all of Leila's, sweetie?
Yes.
Why did you do that? Did you say sorry? Huh? Did you say sorry?
Lala eat it, sweetie. Ready.
Leila ate the sweetie already?
Yes.
I don't know which of you to believe. Who is right here?
That's a very good question, babe. But what am I doing? I am just over here minding my own business, doing my work. Because apparently another crisis is just about to walk into the room.
We have a problem. We're almost out of it. And the babies they just went down to sleep and they're going to wake up back soon. So you need to leave. But is that rain?
It is raining, actually.
Wow.
What time now?
No, but you have to go because,
It's done.
yes.
I think mommy, the good thing, mommy did tell me that she have some for me.
No, but
She
you
got
need
some
to.
from yesterday, so I'm going to just pick it up from her.
Yeah, go now. You have to go now because if they wake up, they're ticking time bombs there now, you know.
Alright. It's now.
So, can you take a break?
Yeah, man, it's now 6 to 12. Basically midday, so. Good evening. So, need to go to my mother's house to get some formula that she has for her. She got it yesterday from a family friend. Thank you so much. And then I have a second mission because my mother is giving away the kitten that's at her house to somebody. I'm making sure to bring Leila and Zahra because they love that kitten. So they can get the last chance to play with him. So let's go. On the road, rain ease up, thank God. So movements, no. Yeah, reach my mother's house now, so just taking on my equipment for the cat snatching, and it on the tape. Baby wipes box. Can't miss with that. First things first, this is the real reason why I came. This is the main reason for coming. To get the powder gold for the children. There's a lot more in the bag. Just showing you one. But quickly going to get to my mission at hand. Catching the kitten. She doesn't suspect a thing. Until boo! Hey! Oh, you're not afraid of me. Good. All done. You're going to have a nice home, I promise. You're going to have a nice home, it's okay. Success. See, I bust a sweat. Just to get the kitten in the bag, or in the box. But I want to move again, get what I needed from my mom. So make sure I lock it properly. And head back over. I need to drop off the kitten to her new home, but again, a good parents, so don't worry guys, we love animals, dogs, cats, so no worries, the cat will be fine. Alright, so the funny thing is that the person I'm supposed to be coming to, I'm calling their number, not getting through, and time going, so I'm going to run out there for 1 minute and see. I can't go back to my mother right now, so I'll figure it out. Got her! Thank God this works out because I was thinking of all the alternatives. So, say bye bye. I don't know what mommy named you. She's just a sweet kitten. Yes. She's really excited. She's really excited, and I'm happy about that. She's like, oh my god! That kind of excited. And yeah, I know that the cat will be okay. But tell you the drama now. I left for two main things: the cat and the formula. Not remembering that Leila and Zahra used them toothbrush this morning to clean the face basin, which means in essence that they don't have a toothbrush for later. But I cannot stop again. If I stop again, it's just going to be too late. Not going to go beyond my lunchtime, so I'll have to do that after work. But before curfew, I think the 7 o'clock thing kicking already though. Shouldn't be too hard. But homeward bound, we go now. So I'm back home now, catching up on what I missed for the hour at lunch, and of course somewhere else ham.
Lily, got into mommy's makeup? Yes. What did you put on yourself?
Put up the
Lipstick, and what else? What's that on your eye?
It's a lipstick.
Again, I know what you're thinking. I'm going to run in, get upset, or get... not today. I am the guy on my computer, doing my work, because that's what I do in the days. Work. Ah boy, what a day, right? So, as promised, I'm going to run to the supermarket right now. Work is finished, and I'm going to try to get their toothbrushes before the supermarket closes. So, as usual, it's been fun sharing with you and the neighborhood. And until next time, big up, stay safe, and love you from me and my house. Take care, neighbors.